Assalamualaikum to Dr. RADDUAN and our fellow classmates. We are Group 4. Today we are presenting about a case study of Lazada. Before that, in completing this task, we have run research throughout the internet in gathering all the desirable data and information. Without further ado, let's begin the presentation. Lazada is the pioneer of the e-commerce site in Southeast Asia, which founded by Rocket Internet in 2012. They have established the operation in 6 countries of Southeast Asia, namely Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. They are known as the Amazon.com of Southeast Asia in their business model. Their goal is to captivate the Southeast Asia internet market and offering wide range of product selection on their website, from electronic to household goods, home and living, groceries and pet, fashions, and automotive. They have 3 core pillars in ensuring the smoothness of their business activity, which are technologies, logistics, and payment capabilities. Their mission and vision is to accelerate change in Southeast Asia through commerce and technology, where they aim to revolutionize both online and offline retail in Southeast Asia. Their focus is not only to provide the platform for selling and buying, as they want to shift the typical click and buy approach by offering the distinctive shopping experience for customers called as shop payment. Hence, the use of knowledge management is vital for Lazada in creating unique experience, particularly and ensuring the cost profit and productivity of their e-commerce business activities.
Hi, my name is Ainaa Najwa and will be presenting on the implementation of knowledge management and contribution towards profit of Lazada organization. The first implementation of knowledge management and contribution towards profit in Lazada is by implementing the knowledge acquisition. So in this case, Lazada has learned and implemented the knowledge acquisition from its competitor itself, which is Alibaba. This can be seen where there are 2 Alibaba values that inspire Lazada. Firstly, Lazada has learned the security of Lazada application and the consumer experience is important. CEO of Lazada Indonesia has stated that Alibaba's system for online payment is quite reliable. Through that, Lazada has taken an action where the company introduced the Lazada Hello Pay method, which will be integrated with its online payment services. Secondly, Alibaba inspires Lazada in terms of the ecosystem. Alibaba collaborates with a variety of companies to be more efficient. Through the case of Alibaba, Lazada collaborates with the outside vendors to establish its own logistics service. This can be seen where the Lazada e-Logistic, which was created to address the issues of the logistics in the varied and fast-growing Southeast Asia market. Other than that, Lazada Indonesia has collaborated with Post Indonesia and JNE Services to create its own logistics division, namely Lazada Express. Other than that, Lazada has mobilized users through Lazada mobile app. In the Lazada mobile app, it not only focuses on the purchase and sale of the products alone, but users can also get many benefits from this app. For example, users can also have an entertainment while buying product through the implementation of the Shoppertainment. Shoppertainment is an innovation to merge shopping with the entertainment and social to the consumers, which allow the consumers to play, watch, and be entertained inside their home. For example, users of the Lazada app can play 3 games, namely Fruit Splash, Popping Balloons, and Birthday Blast, where users can collect cupcakes from those games that can be traded for vouchers at the reward store. Lastly, Lazada use of the technology driven as a business strategy. In this case, Lazada use marketing strategies such as remarketing and retargeting. Lazada target the content of the advertisement to the same individual repeatedly because the individual have already shown interest in the product being advertised. For example, if an individual shows any interest in purchasing any product from Lazada, then Lazada will show the same advertisement every day about that product through Facebook or any social media platform browsed by that individual. As a result, the individual will constantly think about that product and will eventually buy the product for their own self-satisfaction.
Next, I will continue with the evaluations of the implementation. Lazada measure its performance through 2 things. First, Lazada utilized Google's target outranking share bid strategy to build its site traffic by 30%, developing a piece of the pie for the key item categories. To accomplish this objective, Lazada used Google as flexible bid strategies. This computerized approach saved Lazada around 2 hours out of every week, more significantly made it conceivable to internally monitor and make mechanized acclimations to sell elements. As a result, Lazada advertisement impression share rose by 50% and traffic expanded by over 30%. By setting the right objective outranking share technique, Lazada had the option to outbid their rivals on essential keywords, triple their position above rate, and increase their outranking share by over 280%. Next, Lazada also measures its performance through their customer satisfaction in the Lazada mobile application. Majority of the participants concurred that Lazada mobile application has great usefulness as they can make feedbacks about their satisfaction through the apps. Customers apparently preferred the search button in light of the fact that their feedback brought quick back. The more the features react fast, the more the customers have the benefits of the usefulness of the applications and accordingly draw in fulfillment over the long haul.
Hi, my name is NURUL binti JOHARI. So I will explain about the challenges faced by Lazada. As we know that in this era of globalization, there are various e-commerce businesses that have existed in the country. A strong marketing strategy is very essential for every business to acquire a thriving business and high profits. As we know that Lazada is one of the long-developed e-commerce business. However, one of the issues that caused Lazada to grow less than its competitors such as Shopee is due to not having strong marketing in the market. The purpose Lazada needs to ensure that acquire strong marketing is to ensure the business remains relevant and able to boost sales. Among the shortcomings faced by Lazada is the lack of engagement with customers. This has made it difficult for Lazada to be a strong market leader in the e-commerce market, as it has stiff competition to market their products in a more attractive and consistent way. Plus, this will make it difficult for Lazada to build loyal customers to always be consistent and confident to stay buying through Lazada. This is because it will be more fruitful and relevant if Lazada has a strong trust and understanding with its customers to ensure their profits can be enhanced by having a high number of loyal customers. Furthermore, this challenge has been arise because Lazada does not invest enough in its business advertising activities. Through advertising on the right broadcasting platform, we'll be able to help Lazada to reach more customers. So the effect of the issue makes Lazada less competitive because it does not obtain strong engagement with customers. The inconsistency in marketing the business cause them not to having a strong communication channel to tell their value of products and additional information that might be helpful to the customers that can help to create brand awareness and makes the business stand out among other competitors. Plus, Lazada also offer less variety of vouchers and attractive promotions to attract more loyal customers. Hence, the lack of marketing reinforcements has made it difficult for Lazada to have a strong market and become a market leader in the e-commerce market. So other than that, the next challenge that faced by Lazada is because of their lack of technological advancement. Acquiring strong technological advancement is very significant for every e-commerce business. This is because every sales transaction is executed online. For example, the software adopted by Lazada must always have a good network to make it easier for customers to buy. However, Lazada's applications are less attractive and less user-friendly to customers. Often, we find feedback from customers who criticize that Lazada's application is not as attractive and efficient as its competitors like Shopee. For instance, the features adopted by Lazada for their applications are less systematic and it is quite difficult to understand how to use them. This does make customers turn to their competitors to find more user-friendly applications to make their online purchase. Therefore, Lazada needs to innovate the software applications used so that it is easier to convey all the information of customers to become a leading company in the e-commerce business. Next, the issue that is often raised by customers is regarding order processing time. The delivery service offered for every e-commerce business is the most important to achieve trust and satisfaction by customers. This will serve as a yardstick to measure good or bad performance in terms of the services offered by Lazada. For example, Lazada uses the statistical display of Alibaba order processing time. This is intended so that the customer can make a purchase decision made based on the seller's processing time. However, there are also sellers who deliberately delay the receipt of the order process. This shows that Lazada needs to make improvement by increasing incentive or financial rewards to sellers in order to achieve order processing within the stipulated time period so that the performance of the services offered always shows a good and efficient statistic. Hence, the lack of technological advancement by Lazada has made them less competitive than other e-commerce companies.
Next, we move to the suggestions for the challenges faced by Lazada. First of all, Lazada apps become light because of receiving millions of orders, causing users to wait for goods to be delivered. As a result, they must update to more innovative and advanced features for their applications or even website. Technology is the key to creating the best experience for customers, which is how they maintain their market position. For example, they can apply knowledge management by creating a dynamic and innovative working environment and cultures that empowers talents seeking exposure and growth. Thus, they can perform end-to-end functionality with a dedicated technology team to create more user-friendly applications. Apart from that, the designs of the Lazada website is unorganized and difficult for the user to comprehend, so they must update their website to more creative and knowledgeable about technology. They can also simplify the website features so that it is easier for them to use while also improving their online shopping experience. On the other hand, Lazada are more concerned with reducing loss and less advertising and promoting their applications. As a result, they must acknowledge how to market their product in order to become well known among the people in the region. For example, they can work with a well-known influencers such as famous artists, footballers, Instagrammers, and many more who have high engagement to promote their applications. Other than that, they can pay those people to be their Lazada influencer, or they can even collaborate with a well-known person as their ambassador to encourage and attract more people to download and use their applications. This type of marketing must be guided by experts, as Lazada may require more than one knowledge manager who is designed as a enabler for knowledge sharing within his or her department to ensure that the organization's strategic visions is aligned with the mission and objective of the KM project.
To wrap up the presentation, Lazada is indeed notable e-commerce platform and company. As a forerunner, Lazada has successfully redefined the Southeast Asian buying experience. As their mastered knowledge management in executing their business activities, it helped increase in productivity and contributed to the massive profit they had gained. By utilizing the knowledge management principle, Lazada has effectively becoming an industry changer in both online and offline commercial sector in Southeast Asia region. As that being said, our presentation has now come to the end. Thank you for listening.